A ton of fluctuation on markets to start the week and really not much movement with a lot still to come. Now we're going to start with Canadian inflation data tomorrow for March, and most expect that we will see a cool down after 8 interest rate hikes since March of last year. The February reading was 5.2%, with still stubbornly high food inflation, and many expect that it could stay high a little longer. We are going to get earnings from Metro on Wednesday, and then StatsCan will release retail sales data on Friday. In the U.S., we will get earnings this week from Netflix and Tesla, among others. Rogers is relocating 300 jobs connected to Shaw back to Canada from overseas. It's part of a promise by Rogers to create 3,000 new jobs in Western Canada as part of its $26 billion acquisition of Shaw earlier this month. Now, the jobs will be located in BC, Alberta, and Manitoba, but Rogers is also planning to hire 1,000 additional customer service representatives across the country. Rogers says all of its customer service positions have been based in Canada since 2020, making it the only national carrier committed to having its entire call center team located within the country. Now, Rogers is the parent company of CityNews and CityNews 680. And actor Ryan Reynolds now holds a stake in a Canadian fintech company.
How's a Canadian tech company different from an American tech company?
Now, we didn't get details on how big the stake is, but Reynolds is now invested in financial tech firm Nuvei. This is a provider of payment services to the sports betting industry, and he has already posted a marketing video of sorts on Twitter.
Every great tech company has a big, overblown video about its purpose in the world.
Now, Nuvei was founded in Montreal in 2003, and its services now available in more than 50 countries. The company went public in 2020 amid soaring demand for tech stocks during the first year of the pandemic, briefly crossing $25 billion Canadian in market value the next year. In the City News Business Center, I'm Kris McCusker.